Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another exciting video. In today's video we are going to be making coconut oil bar soap for bathing. We have coconut oil here, caustic soda, and water we'll be using to make our caustic soda into lye solution. The last but not the least we have here is the fragrance. Here is the fragrance to make the soap smell so nice. The other instruments I have here are the measuring scale and the mold for pouring in our soap batter. Here is the mold right here. So these are the basic things we'll be using to make this soap. The first thing to do is to measure out our ingredients. The first one to measure is the coconut oil. We'll be measuring out 200 grams of coconut oil. One thing with making soap is getting an accurate measurement. If you get your accurate measurements, you're going to have a very good soap, outcome of a very good soap. But if your measurements are not accurate, you're going to lose those ingredients you're using to make that soap, because your soap will go bad and it will not come out nice. So in soap making, the most important thing is your measurements. So here we are measuring out 200 grams of coconut oil. 200 grams of coconut oil. We're making a very small batch of soap just to show you guys, my besties, how it's easy to make this soap, even for your personal use or for commercial purposes. The next thing to measure here is the caustic soda. We'll be measuring out our caustic soda. We'll be measuring 28 grams of caustic soda here. We'll be using 28 grams to make the lye solution. Here is 28 grams of caustic soda. The next thing to measure is our water. We're measuring out 55 grams of water to make our lye solution. So we are done with the measurements. We'll be adding, first of all, the caustic soda into the water. Here is the caustic soda added into the water. Stir and stir very well to dissolve and keep aside to cool off into a room temperature. You can see the vapor that is coming out from this caustic soda mix with water. It's very hot, so you keep it to stay for like 45 minutes before it cools into a room temperature solution. So here is the coconut oil. After allowing this the lye solution to cool off, you're going to pour the caustic soda, the lye solution, into the oil and mix for like 15 minutes. After mixing for 15 minutes, you are done. You add your fragrance into the mixture. After adding your fragrance, a little portion of the fragrance, you now get your mold and pour this mixture into your mold. Guys, I'm so sorry. While I was pouring into my mold and adding my fragrance, I didn't know my camera has already stopped, so I lost that part while making this video. So sorry. Maybe I'll make another video to show you guys the whole process. So here is the soap when I poured, when it has dried in the mold. So this is the soap. This is the outcome of the soap. Here is not properly dry, but it's getting almost strong for unmolding. So here is how the soap looks. I'm going to allow it to stay for 15 to 20 hours before unmolding. Here is the soap. It's totally strong. So I'm about to unmold. Here, unmolding the soap. This is how beautiful the soap came out. coconut oil soap is so beautiful to make. It comes out looking whitish in color. So here is our coconut oil bar soap for bathing, but this soap is not ready for use. You're going to allow your soap to cure coconut oil soap before you use it to bathe. You're going to allow it to cure for like 6 weeks. You allow your soap to cure very well for like 6 weeks before using it to bathe. So here it is the soap. You can see how beautiful it's looking. So guys, this is 100% coconut oil bar soap for bathing. It foams so well, it lathers so well. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to show you guys the lather testing. Let's go ahead and do the lather testing. Guys, you can see how well this soap lathers. Coconut oil soap lathers so well, and it cleanses the body when used to bathe. Very, very nourishing on the skin. Most of the effective bathing bar soap you see in the big supermarkets, foreign soaps that are very effective are made with coconut oil. If you check the ingredients list, you will see coconut oil on the list of the ingredients. So coconut oil soap is so good on the skin. So guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, turn on your notification bell for more beneficial videos. Bye, and see you in my next video.